Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a lotus flower, I think this is, a lotus flower mould today. It has already got some glitter on it, and instead of cleaning the mould, I decided that was a message from the glitter gods that glitter should be used in this project, as in every project. But I have this box of like glittery flakes in my craft stash. I think this is actually supposed to be used for like nail art, fingernail art, but I'm going to use it in resin. So I think the colours that are on there are kind of this one in the corner, this pinky colour. So that's what I'm going with. I've got some resin mixed up, and then I can open this without spraying it everywhere. Gonna dump that in. Ta-da! Give that a little stir up. It did go everywhere, but never mind. So it's not going to be super duper glittery, but this gives a lovely iridescent sheen as well, which I think will be nice. And then I think, unless I've got way too much resin here, which I probably have because that is how I like to operate, I'm going to try and do a black background so I help it pop more. So I'm just going to dump all this in. Scrape out all of those glittery chunks. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so it's going to be a quick one. That's our first layer done. And then I'll be back when that's set and we can pour the black background on it. Black background? Maybe white. I'll have a think. You will find out in a couple of seconds. See you soon. Right guys, we're back. This layer has set now, so I'm going to go in with black pigment paste into some resin that I've got mixed up. And cocktail stick. Now I do want this to be a very solid black background, so I'm going quite heavy with this. I know like everyone else says you don't need that much, but I'm just making sure. Okay. Right, cocktail stick is in the bin. Pigment paste there. I'm going to pour from this side of the cup because I've been messy on that side and I don't want to add in some weird sort of streaks or something like that. Ooh, yeah, lovely and dark black. See? Lovely. I think that is suitably mixed. So I'm just going to dump it in the middle. Fingers crossed we've got enough. I think we do. I think that's a good amount. coaxing it into the points there. Right, I think a quick torch. There we go, right. Leave it be, and I'll see you when it's set and we can demold and see what the other side looks like. Everything is nice and set now. Ooh. Right, I was gonna say rip the mould off. Take the mould off gently and nicely so I can reuse it again. Here we go. Nice and clean. Dot of overpour there. I think I'm getting better at not spilling so much, which is great. What's this? A little bit of glitter there by the looks of it. Perfect, ready to go again. So let's see what our lotus flower coaster looks like. Wow. Okay, so the glitter flakes have changed colour depending on the angle that you look at them. So they look bluey here, but then when I turn, am I going to be able to pick it up on camera? Yeah, there, look. Still see the pinky red. I love this. Is that picking up on camera that, yeah, look, if I go really close, we've got blue and then we've got pinky reds. I love this so much. Wow. What an awesome coaster. This is definitely going on my desk. Pride of place. I'm wondering if I can get these lines to pop more. I know they get lost a bit in the black background. I can see them quite well when I'm looking at them. I wonder what I could do. And they're indented that way. I don't really want to come through and paint them, to be completely honest. I think that would take too much away. I shall think about it. Let me know if you have any thoughts in the comments. Look, it looks like a galaxy. A bit obsessed with glittery galaxies. But why not? It's so pretty. It looks like a really clear night sky and all the stars twinkling away. Awesome. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you think I should do like a different colour combo. I wonder what would happen if I did a different colour background, for example, like a white background, or it could be a pink background, or a green, or an orange, or something. Maybe I should try that out, experiment a little bit. Really love these. I don't know what to call them. Maybe like foil pieces, glittery foil pieces. I'm not sure what to call them. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.